Hi everyone, welcome to this video in a series of videos on the signaling and dispatching systems of the SLS Railroad. This video in particular is going to concentrate on the Fremont branch mains and Fremont branch siding, as well as the Wind River branch main and Wind River branch siding. These two sections of track have trains coming onto and off of them that come in, trade trains, and then go out back in the direction from which they came. In the case of Fremont, it's fairly simple. Assuming we had a train that came from Woodruff and was going up to Fremont, they would simply go in and we would have to bring the train in on the Fremont branch siding. Notice the arrows are pointing in the direction of traffic on these branch lines. You cannot run the other way. So for this case, we're going to simply give a route in this condition. Let's assume our train's sitting here at the east side of Midway. And in that case, the train would go into Fremont branch main, or excuse me, Fremont's branch siding and tie up. Now the train would come out of, the crew would go on to the Fremont branch main train, and that train would proceed westbound. I'm going to unoccupy my block here, and it would go westbound. Notice that you cannot route a train eastbound. It will not allow you. It tells you there's a reservation conflict because you're trying to route down the wrong direction of traffic. We've created this so that you cannot route a train down the branch main. Also, at Wind River, we have the same scenario. We're going to route a train up onto Wind River main. As we can there, the crew would jump off that train, go over, get on the train that would be at Wind River siding, and would proceed eastbound, such as that. Again, we cannot route a train westbound onto Wind River siding. The system interlocks it. So it's just something to keep in mind. If for some reason you can't run a train into Wind River main because there's a train sitting there, then you need to contact SLS Dispatch Management and let them know that you've got a train sitting on the main at Wind River or on the siding at Fremont because you can't get a train in, and that usually means that a train has either been skipped in the rotation or is out of sequence. Great lengths have been made so that that sequencing is timed such that that does not occur. However, if for some reason it does, please notify a member of the SLS Railroad staff. We do have a signal on the inbound track for the rare occurrence that a helper is on the train. However, it does not usually go with a helper, so there isn't much need to give a signal for that. So it's just important to remember that if you're going to be running a train out of Fremont, in this case, as I'm illustrating, then just click on the one for the direction of traffic that's going to be leaving the branch line, such as that. Same thing goes up with Wind River. So aside from that, that's all you need to know about those two branch lines. We thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask us, and have a great day. Thanks.